you guys, welcome to my channel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Shaye Juan. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm super excited because guess what came in the mail today? My booty bag! If you don't know what booty bag is, it's a monthly panty subscription. For $12 a month, you get 2 pairs of undies. You can pick between thongs or cheeky ones, or you can get surprised every month. It's up to you how you want to win, lose, or draws. Everybody wears underwear. I wear underwear. My daughter wears underwear. My husband wears underwear. But no matter what you choose, they will not give you granny panties. So forget about all the free underwear your grandma gave you for Christmas. Go ahead and subscribe to a booty bag. Oh, and get this. For every selfie you take and hashtag undermatters with your booty bag, they donate $1 to the Melanoma Research Foundation. So finally, our selfies go to a good cause. And with nothing further, let's open this puppy up. Every bag that comes in says, "Hello, babe, I'm here, XO booty bag." Okay, let's open her up. That was not very strong of me. There we go. Ooh, hello. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I never open these until I film it with you guys. So this is like a simultaneous surprise. What's the first one? Oh, hey. Okay. Yes. Oh, look at the color on this one. This one's so pretty. And what I really love about their undies is that they're very seamless. So I can wear leggings with them and it looks smooth. Like my body doesn't look lumpy. As long as you get the right size, of course. Like they're very seamless. They're extremely comfortable, wearable, breathable, as undies should be. They should be. Okay, my next one is hello. Oh, what a pretty color. Look, it's like a dark emerald green. It's like the Emerald City. Hello. This is such a beautiful color. I picked cheeky ones as I usually do because I find them more complementary to my body type. Thongs are okay. I'll wear them once in a while, but for the most part, I'm running around a lot. I go to the gym and I find this to be the most comfortable pair to my liking, at least. But that's a good thing, is that you can pick whatever you want. This is the front, but this is the back. So it doesn't feel like too granny or cheeky, because some people don't like cheeky because they feel granny, but come on. Does your grandma wear this? Thank you. And that is it for this video. Let me know which ones you guys like best. Maybe I'll take a photo with the one you guys choose on Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have the link always right down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I appreciate you all so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Toodles!